This is an unboxing and review of the ZINUS, or I guess Sleep Revolution platform bed. And as you can see here from the box, I still haven't opened this. This is the dark gray and upholstered version of the bed. And this is the queen-sized bed. Here's some product information. And here's some more information about measurements of the bed. Now, I ordered this bed from Amazon, and the company listed in the posting was a company called ZINUS with a Z. But what arrived came in from a company called Sleep Revolution, as you can see there. So I'm assuming that it's the same company. Now, before getting started with the unboxing and review, regarding the box that it came in, this is a very big box. Again, this is the queen size bed, and it measures about 66 inches by 40 by 6. So it is a fairly big box, and the important thing is that it is very, very, very heavy. Definitely try to get somebody to help you out to bring it into your house. Alright, so I just opened the big box and I found out that there's actually another box inside, so I'll have to open this one before showing you all the parts. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box. And looks like this is the headboard right here. This is the upholstered version part of the headboard. And there's a zipper right here, and that goes around the headboard. All the parts should be right here inside. Some instructions how to assemble it. Make sure you go ahead and check out the whole thing. Looks like everything is really well packaged. So yeah, all the parts should be here. Should be the frame of the bed and wooden slats as well. Alright, so everything seems to be in order. Looks like I got all the parts for the bed. This right here should be the front of the bed. You can tell because it's the upholstered side with gray. You also get the other sides of the bed right there, also upholstered. You get the wooden slats right here, everything nicely packaged inside the headboard. And you also get the frame itself of the bed over there. And right here you also get a box with everything you will need to put the bed together, or installing it, I guess. You also get some warranty information. Like I told you before, the company that I ordered is, well, I ordered it from Amazon, but the company in the posting is ZINUS. And some information about the company there, and I can show you before the instructions as well. So really cool how everything comes in that headboard. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try and install it, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, so a little bit of an update. I started installing the bed frame, and I came up with a little bit of a problem. As you can see, I'm about halfway done with the installation. I installed the headboard and metal frames. And when I was putting together this side frames right here, I noticed that they would not fit, or they wouldn't match with the holes for the screws. Like I would put them over there, and over here they wouldn't match. It was almost like this board right here was too long for this frame. And first I thought that I received the wrong side frames, these ones. Maybe I received the ones for a king size bed, and the frames were for the queen. But then I measured it, and actually the side frames were the right length. What was shorter was this frame right here. The inner metal frame was too short for a queen size bed. And it was a little bit shorter, probably for a full size bed. So I actually went to Amazon and I went to some reviews, and I saw that some people also had the exact same issue, that this frame right here was too short for the queen size bed. So I don't really know what to do right now. I stopped the installation. I can't really do anything for now. I already contacted the customer service and I haven't got a response yet, but I'll let you know when I hear back from them to see how they solve this problem. Okay, so 2 days have passed and I did hear back from the company and they sent me a replacement inner frame for the bed. And this one seems to be the right size, so let's see how it goes. And just real quick, so you can see the difference. This one here is the one that I just received, the correct one for the queen size bed. And this one is the one that I had before, the incorrect part. This is probably for a full size bed. And you can see the difference in the length. It's clearly a little bit longer, a few inches longer. So this one should work just fine. I should be able to continue with my installation now. I'll let you know how it goes. And that seemed to do the trick. As long as you have the right parts, you should be able to install the frame pretty quickly and smoothly. I'm done with the frame part of the bed. Now I'll go ahead and put in the wooden slats. Okay, so I'm done with the installation of the wooden slats, and everything as far as the installation was pretty easy and very simple actually. The wooden slats themselves come connected to each other through this piece of velcro right here. This is actually velcro that's pasted to the next slat, and the velcro attaches to the other piece of velcro that is connected to the frame right here on the side frames. So pretty handy, and like I said, very easy to install. It took me about 15 or 20 minutes to put them all together. And everything looks pretty good, very solid, and doesn't shake or anything. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the mattress on top of it. The bed frame doesn't come with a mattress. You have to buy that separately. But I also bought one from Amazon, and I'll show you how it looks. Alright, so this is my queen size mattress on top of the queen size bed frame. And this is a mattress that I also purchased from Amazon. It's a queen size or standard queen size mattress. And it's a foam mattress with a pillow top. And I was very happy about the fit, because everything seems to fit really well with the bed frame. As you can see, there's no space really between the mattress and the bed frame. It's a very tight fit, which I like it. That way you can make sure that the mattress doesn't move when you use it. Over here was a little bit tighter, but it was fine, and it seemed to fit really well. And the same thing in the other side. It's almost a perfect fit, as you can see right there. So I just tried it out just to test how it worked, and I moved around the mattress, and the frame did not make a sound. It was a perfect fit, really. Everything seems to be working just fine. There's no creaks, no noises, doesn't move, it doesn't shake. Everything seems really good. So I'm very happy with the purchase so far. And that's the headboard right here. Looks really nicely. So this is the gray version of the bed with the upholstered headboard. So yeah, this is I was very happy with the purchase, with the only exception that I got the wrong part. But unfortunately the customer service was really good and they were able to overnight me a correct part. Now as far as the height is almost perfect. It's not too high, at least for me, not too small. There's no need to use a box spring as well. So I really like it. As far as a review, I'll give it 4 out of 5 stars. The only reason why I take out 1 star is, like I said before, because initially they sent me the wrong part. And it kind of ruined the experience a little bit because I wanted to use the bed right away and I couldn't, but it's fine as long as they were able to solve the problem. And it's a really good product. Everything is pretty sturdy. It looks nice, especially with the upholstered features right here. The legs of the bed are really good as well. It doesn't shake. It's a really good performance and it's a good product. So overall, I'm very happy about it, and I really recommend this bed for anyone that's looking for to upgrade their bed or looking for a new one, especially for an affordable price. Anyways, that's all for my review. I hope you have a good day and take care. Bye bye.